Hi guys and welcome. What if we told you that there's a technology that could change your financial future? AI image is that technology, and in this video, we'll show you how to use it to create new revenue streams and unlock your earning potential.
Have you ever heard of Picture Perfect AI? It's a fantastic new AI avatar generator, changing the game for virtual assistants, customer service agents, and even personal companions. The state-of-the-art tool takes the hassle out of creating a customized, lifelike avatar that truly represents you or your brand. So how does it work? It's simple. You just upload your photos and choose from over 100 appearance options. Each style generates 8 unique avatars, meaning you'll have 200 to choose from. The result is a high-quality, diverse avatar that reflects your personality and style. But what sets Picture Perfect AI apart from other apps is its commitment to quality. They don't take shortcuts or rely on pre-existing models. Instead, they train their own models and run their GPU servers to ensure the best possible results. And the best part, they offer all of this at an affordable price. Now I know you're thinking, what about my privacy? Don't worry. Picture Perfect AI has got you covered. All user data is encrypted and deleted after 24 hours, so you can trust that your personal information is safe. To get the most out of Picture Perfect AI, it's recommended that you upload 10 close-ups of your face, 5 chest and up photos, 3 side profile photos, and 3 full body photos with different facial expressions, backgrounds, and minimal makeup. Make sure there's no nudity or excessive makeup in your photos. Payments are protected by AES 256 encryption and processed through Stripe, so you can have peace of mind when making your purchase. Picture Perfect AI supports JPG, PNG, WEBP, and AGIC photo formats, so you can use your preferred photo format. And the best part, the avatars you create with Picture Perfect AI are just the beginning. Once you have your avatar, you can use it in various ways to enhance your online presence. For example, you can use your avatar as a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks like responding to emails or scheduling appointments. You can also use it as a customer service agent to provide quick and efficient customer support. And if you're feeling lonely, your avatar can even be a personal companion to keep your company. Picture Perfect AI is constantly improving and updating its technology so that you can expect even more features and options in the future. In a few years, your avatar might even be able to interact with others in real time. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, Picture Perfect AI is a game changer. It's making the virtual world more accessible and more personalized than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a virtual assistant, or just someone who wants to enhance your online presence, Picture Perfect AI is the tool for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your very own AI avatar today and join the ranks of those who are revolutionizing the virtual world. Have you heard about DreamPick AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPick AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPick AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPick AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPick AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPick AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPick AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Have you ever wanted to transform yourself into your favorite character or see what you would like if a world-famous artist drew you? Well, now you can get with WonderAI. This AI-powered tool allows you to upload images and generate unique portraits based on your ideas and specifications. With WonderAI, the possibilities for creativity and self-expression are endless. Whether you want to create an avatar for your online presence, create unique art for your home, or simply have some fun exploring your imagination, WonderAI can help you do just that. WonderAI is more than just a portrait generator. It's a tool for unlocking your creativity and exploring new possibilities. With WonderAI, you can bring your ideas to life and turn them into stunning portraits that capture your unique style and personality. Whether you want to transform yourself into your favorite character or create a picture in the style of a famous artist, WonderAI makes it easy and fun. One of the best things about WonderAI is its customization level. You can upload your photos to serve as a base for your portrait or use the tool's built-in library of images. Then you can add your ideas and specifications to create a picture that truly reflects your vision. WonderAI offers a wide variety of styles to choose from, including anime, comic books, watercolor, and more. You can even select a specific artist or type to emulate. Once you've uploaded your photos and entered your ideas, the AI gets to work. The training takes up to 6 hours, but it's worth waiting. When your portraits are ready, you can download them and use them however you like. The tool allows you to create up to 200 images for €19, so you can keep experimenting and exploring as much as you want. WonderAI's example gallery is an excellent resource if you're unsure where to start. Here you can see portraits created with the tool and get inspiration for your own creations. WonderAI also provides a use case example for creating YouTube thumbnails, which can help you stand out from the crowd and make your videos more engaging. WonderAI is committed to user privacy and security. The tool's website includes comprehensive guidelines, terms of service, and privacy policies. The support team is always available to help if you have any questions or concerns. In short, WonderAI is a fun and easy-to-use tool for anyone who wants to explore their creativity and create unique portraits. With its wide variety of styles and customization options, you'll surely find something that speaks to you. So why not give it a try and see where your imagination takes you? Introducing Partly, a magical app that can take boring old portrait photos and turn them into over 200 stunning, unique works of art with the help of artificial intelligence. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, creating custom art just for you. All you need to do is upload 10 to 50 of your favorite photos and Partly will do the rest. It technologically takes your pictures and runs them through a series of machine learning and AI models to create a diverse set of customized art pieces that are unique to you. The results are truly breathtaking and perfect for sprucing up your home or giving as an individual and thoughtful gift. Right now, Partly offers a special introductory price of only $29. Usually $49. This limited time deal is only available until the end of February 2023, so don't wait to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity. Transform your photos into incredible works of art and add fun and creativity to your life with Partly. Other thing that sets Partly apart from other photo editing apps is that it's not just a filter. The app uses artificial intelligence to interpret your photos and generate new pixels from scratch, like an artist painting a masterpiece just for you. The results are truly stunning, and you'll be amazed at the creativity and diversity of the art pieces produced by the app. Partly uses top-of-the-line video cards to ensure fast and reliable delivery. Your order should be delivered within 30 to 60 minutes, and you can check the estimated delivery time on the order page for a more accurate estimate. The app also offers customized packages for those who want to commission artwork to their specific preferences. Finally, Partly is a secure platform, and a comprehensive privacy policy and terms of use protect your data. The company takes your privacy seriously and is committed to handling your data with the utmost care and following all industry standards. Once your order is complete, your photos and AI model will be automatically deleted, and the resulting image will be available within 2 weeks for your convenience. So what are you waiting for? Give Partly a try today and experience the magic of AI-generated art. Have you ever felt like your dating profile doesn't quite showcase your authentic self? Or maybe you've struggled to develop new and unique photos to use on your mobile? Well, have no fear, because Real Fake Photos is here to help. Real Fake Photos is an AI-based tool that generates high-quality images for use in dating app profiles. All you have to do is upload 10 to 15 images of yourself with your face visible, and the AI model takes care of the rest. It uses these images to generate even more high-quality pictures that you can use on your dating profile. The best part? The entire process is super easy and only takes 3 steps: uploading the images, cropping them, and voila, you'll start seeing triple the matches in no time. Now you might be wondering how much all this costs. Well, the good news is that the basic version is completely free. However, if you want to remove watermarks from your images, you can upgrade to the premium plan for €3.99 or €6.99 depending on which bundle you choose. Plus, if you refer a friend, you can get 1 free bundle, easy peasy. But what about privacy concerns, you may ask? Real Fake Photos prioritizes the security and privacy of your images, and they retain them only for the duration of the image generation process. After that, they're automatically deleted from their system, and if you ever have any questions or concerns, their support team is always ready to help you. And if you run into any issues or have any questions, the support team is always there to help you. You can contact them by email at info.profile.com or click on the icon below on the right-hand side. One thing to note is that if you've been waiting for a while for your images to be generated, don't worry. Real Fake Photos apologizes for any inconvenience caused by the delay in processing your requests. They assure you that their team is working diligently to generate your images quickly. If you no longer want to use Real Fake Photos, deleting your account and all your data is simple. Go to the account settings page and click Delete my account and all of my data. This will remove everything, including input images, generated images, and model weights. So why should you use Real Fake Photos? It's a cost-effective way to generate high-quality images from the comfort of your own home. And whether you're looking to improve your dating or job-seeking success, having great pictures in your profile is critical. So what are you waiting for? Give Real Fake Photos a try and improve your dating profile game. It's a cost-effective way to generate high-quality images from the comfort of your home, and it can even improve your chances of success in the dating world. So upload these selfies, crop out any unwanted parts, and get ready to see triple the matches in no time.